Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing Dollar Tree eyebrows tutorial. I will be doing another video on beauty supply store eyebrows. My eyebrows tutorial, the pencils that I bought from the beauty supply store. So for this one today, let's do just Dollar Tree eyebrow tutorial only. Okay, so I got the brow gel from Dollar Tree, and I also got the pencil from Dollar Tree, and I also got the Maybelline New York color corrector from Dollar Tree as well. This is things that I hauled a couple months ago. I told you guys I will be doing a review on them, so as time goes on. So I have a lot of products that I need to actually review on this channel. I won't be buying too many new products, you guys, even when I do go, so yeah. So one of the products will be this one here. This is a corrector. This is not a concealer. So but today I'm going to be using it as well. So you can make one thing work for so many things. So this definitely, we're not going to use this orange because this is for like discoloration for my face here underneath my bags, or around my lip, my mouth area right here and stuff. You can use that, but I'm leaning more to these two shades right here, for my eyebrows, so this is a concealer right here. We're going to use it. This is a corrector, like I was telling you guys here. It's right underneath here, or you can use the concealer here, and this also is a corrector, and this is a highlighter. Okay, you guys, so we're going to be using either this one here or this one here, one of them, to clean up our eyebrows. Okay, so that's one of the products. And the next one we're going to be using is this brow pencil define and fill. It's a eyebrow pencil crayon, and this is in a medium. I usually go for dark, but let's see how this does. You guys know I like my brows a little bit thicker and dark as well. So I just posted a stencil video, couple days ago, so that video should be up before this one. So again, this is $1.25 from Dollar Tree here. It comes with a spoolie as well, and yeah, okay. So it said, define and fills. So this is my first time using this this not the brand, but this particular pencil. So spoolie included, yeah, like I said, yeah. And then this one here, the brow gel. Once we're done, we're going to use this brow gel to set our eyebrows. So that's what we're going to be doing, okay, you guys? So I have 3 products that we are going to be using today. So like I say, I already named the products, and then now we're just going to go and do that. I might talk during the video, I might not, or whatsoever. So okay, so as you can see, it's broke. So now I have to sharpen my pencil. Make sure your pencil is sharpened to give you a nice yeah, I don't want it to sharpen if that's how you say it. Yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do, basically, I'm going to use powder, which is my setting powder for my brows, basically. If you're oily like me, make sure you don't want too much. Make sure you use this calamine lotion or milk of magnesia to set your brows, so they will come out really, really good, okay? So I don't want this video to be long, you guys. So okay, so we're just gonna go straight to it. It's already 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna go straight to it. And this is not working, and this is a medium too. You can't really, and that's not how I like my brows to be, but we're just gonna use it. Okay, so I'm going to use my brush, and I'm going to use the shade. So now we are going to use this shade here, okay? This. Okay, so now we're going to use this. All right, you guys, so I am done, as you can see. So what do you think about this 3 product? Okay, you guys, so you guys, you can buy these and use it as your concealer palette, and use it again as your corrector and your highlight. It says it right there, you know, where you can use, how you can use this palette. Okay, so everything is written for you right down here, so you know exactly what you are doing. Okay, and also the pencil is not my favorite pencil, but it actually did the job For those of you that like really light eyebrows, it's not bad for me. For me, it's okay. I'll give it like a 8 out of 10. You know, because I like my eyebrows were dark, so that's why I give it. Other than that, I would have gave it a 10. But if you like a medium, this is a medium, so you need to pick this up. This is a medium. You know how they have like a medium dark and dark, so I like the medium dark one, but this is literally medium. It came out really nice, but this is not what I'm used to, you know what I mean? So that's that. Definitely will purchase this again, even though, yes, because it works. But the only thing is, I could mix this up. You know, I could mix this up with a darker one and give me that combination. You know what I mean? So that's that. And then for the brow gel, you guys look, it's setting. So like I said, if you like, it's not bad at all. You know, like I said, if you like stuff like this, so this is it. So I'm bringing you affordable items that you can still have your eyebrows to pop and do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, so that's basically, you know, it, you guys. So yeah, yeah. So yeah. So you guys, these three things are going to last me for a long time as usual. So yeah, I'm gonna use a highlight. Let me show you guys how the highlight looks, you guys. So just in case if you are curious, you know, let me swatch. It's popping, you know, it's popping, you guys. You can also use this as your eyelid, you know, highlights. So you can do so many things with it. Just because it's a corrector palette, you know, color correcting kit, you know, and this is Maybelline as well. $4.25. You cannot beat that at all. So this is the corrector right here. If you're trying to correct anything like your bags, you know, your black under eye circle, around your mouth area, like the way I had, you know, it's going to cover those things. That's what this is about, like right here. Okay, you see how it conceal all of my dark. You can use a brush, but you see how that is. You see that from here, the difference. You can do this every day and just blend and go to work. You really doesn't even need a foundation, and just set your face, and if you know what you're doing, you know what I mean. um, Cover your bags. Okay, all right, you guys, so just some tips right there. And okay, let me let you go. This is not corrected. So that is it, you guys. Yeah, I'm getting used to this hair, this style. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one, guys. Bye.